rolling. It's not supposed to roll.
So you guys haven't been in here for a while. I obviously have painted the walls. We built this vanity. And then the electrician came and he finished all the lights. And then we installed the door, which is not all the way done.
Still in progress, work in progress happening. So
Oh, and the flooring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the door.
And we have a door.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nothing's completed, but everything's been started. Pretty much.
Yeah, and I got the second coat of paint in here. So this is done. I just have this one left for painting.
Nothing's level.
And we're struggling with an old unlevel house with a sliding door.
This is gonna be nice when it's done.
Mm-hmm. So currently the issue was that it was unlevel, so the door kept trying to stay open. Now it's adjusting it to see if we can get it to stay shut if we want it to. And
Bye-bye.
there we go.
We're not even close to level, by the way. Not even close.
Because you just get to shower with the door open.
Yeah, we gotta do some shimming and lifting and... Working with glass makes me very nervous. Also.
Yeah.
Supposed to just twist this and that's supposed to adjust everything. Not enough adjustment, guys. Manufacturer for a 1950s house. But nothing's level or square in. The floor is not. Okay, we're getting closer. Had to take this off. That piece, yep, that one, to allow that to come down more. I'm sure it's probably pretty important to be on there, but it can't be. And it's still not good, as you can see. I wonder how long it took the guys at Home Depot to put this together. It sure looked nice on the shelf there.
It did.
How is it now? Is it moving now?
I'm holding on to it.
It's not moving?
Mm-mm.
I think we got her. We're close. We're close now. We're very close. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Now it wants to stay the other way.
Oh boy. Now it wants to go. We're in the lines now. Bye-bye.
It's not opening as far though. It's only opening half as far. Not even. That's a good sound. Upon reading in directions, we found out you're supposed to actually, glue these in.
It's just gonna be a mess. Oh my goodness. Owie. So it's to wipe off excess. What are you gonna wipe it with?
Do you want like a wet rag? I don't know what wipes that stuff well.
I don't know either. Maybe even razor blade once it's dry.
Yeah.
So this one comes back off. You're supposed to use window and door caulk and siding for bathrooms? Probably not.
It'll work.
Uh-oh. There's some on the tip. Move it. Don't set that down. It's all over there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. The tip is all just terrible. Bathroom ain't big enough for 2 people. Hold this. Okay, next step. Does it go here or where's the next one go?
Let's look. It goes on the back side of the door.
Well, we're getting closer. We are getting massively closer to having this job finished. Can you guys see anything? Gosh. So the shower is installed, it's cocked. We got our handles installed here and our magnet to keep the door closed. That was all custom built by me and Nicole. She did the finish work. We got trim left to do and the plumber's coming this week, hopefully. Hopefully. I just got mauled by the dog. The ferocious beast just
He's so vicious.
hurt me. But it is looking nicer now that we got new lights in here. This is almost too bright though.
It is. You can't look up.
No.
You just gotta stay looking down.
Yep. But we're going over to Dad's house now. Mom and Dad's to
Doug and Amy's, maybe I should say.
just cut it all out. It's all.
Toby! Wow! You just can't talk! No, we can't!
Look at this disaster of a house though.
Yeah, construction
Such a
is-
mess. Oh, it just drives me nuts. But it is nice to have it at this point. Easy! The carpet is not stapled down. You're gonna stir up a dust now. Come on! It's time to go. We gotta go to my parents to help remove a rock wall or some landscaping or something. You're gonna wreck something! Hey, let's go downstairs.